Hey, this is Betty with Better Buy Pool Supply. How can I help you today?
Hey, Betty. Yeah, I need to schedule a pool cleaning.
Got it. Are you a current customer or is this your first time reaching out to us?
I am a new customer.
Welcome. Let's get started. Can I have your first name, please?
Yeah, my first name is Nick.
Thanks, Nick. And your last name?
Last name is Rustad, Rustad.
Got it, Nick Rustad. What's the best phone number to reach you?
You can get me at 952-452-1306.
Hey, thanks. And could you share your email address so we can send you the appointment details?
Yeah, it's ntrmpls@gmail.com.
Thanks, Nick. So that's ntrnpls@gmail.com, correct?
That's correct.
Perfect. Now, could you provide the full service address where the pool is located?
Yeah, it's at 121 South Hope Street, Los Angeles, California, 90012.
Thanks, Nick. I've got your address as 121 South Hope Street, Los Angeles, California, 90012. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Great. What specific pool cleaning service or issue would you like us to address?
Well, when I got up this morning and went and looked at the pool, it's completely green and filled with algae, and it smells really bad.
Got it, Nick. We'll address the algae issue and the odor. Let me check the available appointment slots for you. One moment. Here are the available slots. On Friday, January 30th at 9:30 a.m. or 12:30 p.m. On
I'll
Saturday,
take your first one.
You're all set, Nick. Your appointment is confirmed for Friday, January 30th at 9:30 a.m. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Yeah, do you know any good jokes?
Of course. Here's one for you. Why don't skeletons fight each other? Because they don't have the guts. Anything else I can help with?
No, that's it. Thank you, Betty. You've been really helpful.
You're very welcome, Nick. Thanks for calling Better Buy Pool Supply. Have a great day.